السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم، أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله جل وعلا في كتابه الكريم: يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. صدق الله العظيم. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: بني الإسلام على خمس: شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله، وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة والحج وصوم رمضان، أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Dear audience, Honorable President, respected Judge, Honorable Director, Honorable President and other guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, first of all, I thank all of you for attending today's competitive English speaking program. As you know all, today my subject is importance of Hajj, but unfortunately it is almost impossible for me to narrate it within the limited time frame. But I will try to discuss my subject, inshallah. Dear audience, we are Muslims and our religion is Islam. We are the ummah of our last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ummah means as a nation. We should follow and obey him because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said about this: يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. Surah Al-Hujurat, verse number 13. O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and acquainted. So dear brothers, the Hajj is a pillar of Islam, required of all Muslims once a lifetime. It is physically demanding journey that Muslims believe offers a chance to wipe clean past sins and start anew before Allah. Pilgrims seek to deepen their faith on the Hajj, with some women adopting the head covering known as the hijab during Hajj. Every Muslim pilgrim is considered as a guest of Allah. And Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: بني الإسلام على خمس: شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله، وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة والحج وصوم رمضان. Narrated Ibn Umar, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Islam is based on 5 principles. 1. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah's Messenger. 2. To offer the prayers dutifully and perfectly. 3. To pay zakat. 4. To perform Hajj. 5. To observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 8. So dear brothers, from the hadith, an Abi Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu قال سئل النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: أي الأعمال أفضل؟ قال: إيمان بالله ورسوله. قيل: ثم ماذا؟ قال: جهاد في سبيل الله. قيل: ثم ماذا؟ قال: حج مبرور. Narrated Abu Hurairah, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, which is the best deed? He said, to believe in Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was then asked, which is the next? He said, to participate in jihad in Allah's cause. He was then asked, which is the next? He said, to perform Hajj Mabrur. Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 1590. So dear brothers, come to learn for the Muslim Ummah the importance of Hajj is very significant event of Islam. So we should obey the holy order Allah called Hajj. May Allah give us the opportunity to perform Hajj. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.